Good morning, students. In ENGTSC 202, nowadays we are going through Oliver Twist. ओलिवर ट्विस्ट में हमें यह पता चलता है कि ओलिवर ट्विस्ट एक लड़का है, ही इज़ एन ऑर्फन, और पहले वो एक ओल्ड लेडी के पास रहता है ऑर्फनेज में. देन मिस्टर बम्बल टेक्स हिम, देन ही सफ़र्स अ लॉट, ही कीप्स ऑन मूविंग. एट लास्ट ही रीचेज लंडन. लंदन में उसको वो बच्चे मिलते हैं हु आर बिल साइक्स एंड फेगिन एंड वन अनदर बॉय वॉज देयर एंड नैन्सी इज़ देयर. He meets them. They manage their lives by picking pockets. जेब कतरे हैं वो लोग और जेब काट के वो अपना गुजारा करते हैं. लेकिन उसके बोथ के बारे में हमें कुछ भी क्लियर नहीं है ओलिवर ट्विस्ट के. लेकिन वन थिंग वी नो कि वो बच्चा बेसिकली वो टाइप ऑफ गाय ही इज़, ही डजंट वांट टू गो फॉर इन दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ एंड वांट्स टू लिव अ वेरी सिंपल लाइफ. एंड अल्टीमेटली ही गोज़ टू द house of Mr. Brownlow. He actually goes to pick his pocket, लेकिन by chance he gets hurt and is taken by Mr. Brownlow. उसको फर्स्ट एड देते हैं. देन उनके रूम में एक लड़की की फ़ोटो दिखती है एंड Oliver Twist का फेस जो है it resembles the face of that very girl who was there in the photograph. And then ultimately what happens that उसके जो साथी हैं बिल साइक्स और फेगिन वगैरह दे मैनेज समहाउ. देन ही टेक्स मनी फ्रॉम मिस्टर ब्राउनलो. ही गोज़ टू पे इट टू द शॉपकीपर एंड दे जस्ट रॉब हिम. और उसको वो मार पीट के और किस तरह से एडजस्टमेंट दे के नैन्सी के साथ उसको वो लोग वापस जो है उस जगह पहुंचा देते हैं विच बिलोंग्स टू देम ओनली. नाउ ओलिवर ट्विस्ट वांट्स टू बी बैक, लेकिन अब वो वापस आने की कंडीशन में नहीं है. एंड ही इज़ केप्ट फ्यू डेज़ देर इन द कन्फाइनमेंट. वहाँ कोई नहीं आता जाता. धीरे धीरे वो लोग आना शुरू करते हैं. दे स्टार्ट प्लानिंग एंड दे डिसाइडेड टू रॉब अ हाउस. और उनको वहाँ पे कौन चाहिए, वहाँ पे एक ऐसा बच्चा उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट है जो छोटा हो, जो लड़का वहाँ एंटर हो जाए. सो दे प्लान कि दे सेंड हिम इन. वो ग्लास तोड़ के रात को जो है उसको वहाँ पे भेजते हैं. बाई चांस द सर्वेंट्स इन द हाउस दे wake up and firing takes place and Oliver Twist gets injured. ओलिवर ट्विस्ट की लाइफ में देखो किस किस तरह के टर्न्स आ रहे हैं. मिस्टर बम्बल जो है ही मीट्स मिस्टर ब्राउनलो और वो इन्फॉर्मेशन उनको देते हैं. एंड टेक्स मनी. वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए जो है वो क्या करते हैं, वो डील्स उनकी चलती रहती हैं. एंड कहानी हमारी आगे बढ़ती रहती है. सो नाउ एवरीवन रन्स अवे. साइक्स रन्स अवे एंड दैट एन अदर मैन वाज देयर, ही आल्सो रन्स अवे. एंड द बॉय नेम्ड ओलिवर ट्विस्ट ही गेट्स हर्ट एंड वो जो है गिर जाता है वहाँ पे. दे लीव हिम एंड दे जस्ट रन अवे, क्योंकि उस इंजर्ड लड़के के साथ कोई भी फंसना नहीं चाहता है. Night was too cold. Sharp wind was piercing the body, and homeless people, they were suffering on the road. Suddenly, what happened? That in the workhouse where Oliver was born. अब हम लोगों को उस जगह से हटा के उस वेयर हाउस में ले जाया जाता है, जहाँ पे वर्क हाउस में, जहाँ पे ओलिवर की जो मदर थी, शी गेव बर्थ टू ओलिवर. हमें शुरू से ये पता है कि एक लेडी आई थी, शी बिलोंग टू गुड इनफ फैमिली. उसने ओलिवर को बर्थ दिया और उसकी डेथ होगी. ओलिवर के पेरेंटेज के बारे में हमें एग्जैक्टली कुछ भी पता नहीं है. सो now we are taken to the house where Oliver was born. Mrs. Coney, who is the widow in charge, she was making tea by her fire. वो चाय बना रही है. एंड सम knock is heard at the door. Suddenly she sees Mr. Bumble was there. She makes him sit. They chat and they are planning to marry each other. He comes near Mrs. Coney and ultimately they decide. It is not like words. They don't express it through words in simple way. The way they are sitting, they seem to be close to. They are very close to each other, and they want to live their life together. But suddenly she is saying that friendly silence was there, and the way they were sitting, it was very clear that they want to live their lives together. So she didn't react the way he took hold of her wrist. इसका क्या मतलब है कि वो she is consented for the thing, like she wants to be in a relationship with Mr. Bumble. Then suddenly the door was, someone knocked at the door. They opened the door, some called from outside, Mrs. Corney, and old Sally is going fast, means old Sally is in trouble. There is a lady, who is she? She is the one who was with Oliver's mother when she passed away. Oliver की mother को उसने last moment पे Sally ने ही look after किया था. Well, what can I do to help her? Then nothing. Then she comes to know कि एक old lady और आती है, वो क्या बोलती है Mrs. Corney को कि old Sally wants to meet you, she wants to share something with you because she is on the verge of death, कि उसकी death होने वाली है. So Mrs. when they go to the bedroom of old Sally, only who goes? Mrs. Corney, she goes, and Bumble stays downstairs, and old Sally lying in bed. The room is very, very cold. It is chilled over there, and Mrs. Corney, she bends over the bed, and old Sally, she says that I want to tell you something. She tries to say something that the very lady who came to me that day, she was injured and she gave birth to a boy, had something. I robbed her. She said that I robbed her. She was hardly dead before I stole it. Means it becomes clear that she has stolen something. लेकिन वो क्या चीज़ उसने चोरी की है, it is not yet clear. Now that very lady, Mrs. Corney, she's very she's very shrewd, and what does she do? She wants to know what it was there. Okay, so the only one thing she had, it was gold. It could have saved her life. लेकिन वो कहती है कि the gold she was having, it would have saved her life, but she couldn't say anything more. The old woman hardly speak. Oliver, the gold I stole was, yes, then she says that she suddenly falls back onto the bed and she dies away. अब देखो वो half secret revealed है, half unrevealed है. Something was there which is related to Oliver Twist and his mother. कुछ ऐसा था जो उस लेडी ने उठाया था, but we are not made clear कि actual में वो चीज़ क्या थी. Fine. So Mrs. Corney, she hurried back to the room where Bumble was still waiting for her. Again they were sitting together, and she told Mr. Bumble about Sally's death. An unknown gold object which she had stolen from the dead body of that very lady who was Oliver Twist's mother. Fine. After many expressions, Mr. Bumble left the room, but there was something very much clear that they wanted to be together throughout their life. Whatsoever was there, they wanted to be together. And when these events were, देखो एक जगह क्या हुआ, एक जगह मिसेस कॉर्नी के पास मिस्टर बम्बल आते हैं. दे कभी कम टू नो कि ओल्ड सेली हैज़ पास्ड अवे, और उसके पास कुछ ऐसा था विच वॉज रिलेटेड टू ओलिवर ट्विस्ट एंड हिज मदर. वन थिंग इज दैट. सेकेंड वन इज़ देयर, जो वर्क हाउस था वेयर आर्टफुल डॉजर एंड चार्ली बेट्स दे वर प्लेइंग कार्ड्स इन फेगिन्स हाउस. एंड वहाँ पे क्या था, डॉजर एज यूजुअल वॉज विनिंग ईजिली, एंड देर वॉज सम फेंट बेल रैंग डाउन स्टेयर्स. अब फेगिन के हाउस में क्या हुआ, बेल रिंग हुई. दे वांट द मैन हु हैड so Toby came in. Mr. Toby was there, and the man who had gone with Bill Sykes and Oliver to rob the house in Chatsey. Fagin jumped on his feet. Where are they? Sykes and the boy. Now Bill Sykes and the boy, both of them, they are missing. They are looking for them. उनको एक ही डर लगता है कि अगर पुलिस ने पकड़ा तो क्या होगा. They said, अब the robber said we failed because आपको पता है क्या हुआ, लोग उठ गए वहाँ पे और उन्होंने शोर मचा दिया. They started firing and in between Oliver was injured, और जो Bill Sykes है उसका तो हमें कुछ पता भी नहीं चला. Where did he go? They said they fired and hit the boy. We ran away with Oliver between us. They chased us with dogs. Fine. And the boy, what about the boy? asked Fagin. अब उनको डर एक ही लग रहा है कि जो ओलिवर ट्विस्ट है ना, he didn't want to be with them. His head was hanging down, he was cold, and we had to move faster, so we left him. कहते पता नहीं वो कहाँ पे रह गया. We don't know whether he is living or that. Fagin couldn't wait, and he started running. He reached Bill Sykes' house. Bill Sykes के घर पे वो पहुंचा. वहाँ पे Nancy was taking alcohol. She was heavily drunk, and she was upstairs in her room, and her head was on the table. She was drinking, and Fagin, he closed the door. She woke up, tried to talk to him, and when she couldn't reply where Bill Sykes had been. उसको पता ही नहीं था. So Fagin said that he lost his temper. He was in a fit of anger because he had to find out both the boys. The boy is worth fortune to me, and now a drunken gang has lost him. He told Nancy that that very boy has been lost. I don't know where is he, and if Sykes doesn't return that boy to me, dead or alive, I'll tell the police about him. कि if that boy won't be returned by Sykes, जो मुझे मेरे पास से लड़का लेके गया था, तो I'll tell the police each and everything, they'll be in trouble. Then Fagin left her. Nancy, who was already, who had already taken alcohol, her head was lying on the table. She was almost unconscious. Fagin went into the darkness of the night and walked home. But he was very much upset because he was looking for Bill Sykes as well as Oliver Twist. So there they saw. अब क्या हुआ वहाँ पे? He had reached the corner of the street and was searching his pocket for his key. Then a dark figure came out of the shadow. अब जैसे ही वो नैन्सी के पास से उतरा वहाँ पे there was a dark figure and he said, Fagin, where have you been? On your business, my dear, said Fagin. We would better talk inside. Someone wanted to talk to Fagin. अब हमें ये रिवील नहीं हो रहा कौन है. His name was Monks. वो मंक्स था उस लड़के का नाम, and he was in a very bad mood. He listened to Fagin for a while. He said that it was badly planned, that you couldn't even rob a house, और वो लड़का भी तुम्हारा वहाँ से हाथ से चला गया. And but Fagin knew that he was not having that very temperament. The boy, Bill Sykes, Oliver Twist had a very different temperament, and he said that I had nothing to frighten him with, and I have already helped you. After he was caught by the police trailing from the bookshop, I got Nancy to get him back, and then she felt sorry for him. Then he told him the entire story, that how did Nancy get him back, and Monk said that better kill Nancy, she is there indulged somewhere. So we can't afford to do that type of a thing, but I can turn the boy into an ordinary thief now. कहते अब now he that will be turned into ordinary thief. उसको extraordinary events के लिए हम लोग रखेंगे ही नहीं. Then Monk quickly said that I told you, do anything you want to him, but don't kill him. He shouldn't be killed. कुछ भी कर लो. Then after that Fagin cried, and a shadow was there was a shadow of the woman. एक फीमेल की शेडो उनको दिखाई देती है, एंड दे फेल्ट, उनको लगता है कि शायद ये इमेजिनेशन था, बट मंक्स रिप्लाइड दैट आई सॉ द शेडो, दे वर एम्प्टी, एंड दे सर्च्ड ऑल द रूम्स अपस्टेयर्स, नन वाज देयर, एंड देन दे just when they didn't find anyone, they just stopped there, and Bill Sykes and Toby, they knew one thing, that they had dropped Oliver's unconscious body in the field in that very dark night, and they didn't want to be trapped like Oliver Twist. In the morning, Oliver was still lying. अब देखो ये तीसरा एस्पेक्ट आ गया. पहला कहाँ पे है? मिसेस कॉर्नी और बीडल का, मिस्टर बम्बल का है. देन वी कम टू नो अबाउट ओल्ड सेली. बहुत सी चीज़ें इस चैप्टर में रिवील हो रही हैं. वी कम टू नो अबाउट अ न्यू कैरेक्टर, मंक्स के बारे में हमें पता लगता है. देन हमें ये पता लगता है कि बिल साइक्स और ओलिवर ट्विस्ट जो है वो मिसिंग हैं दोनों. फिर हमें ये पता लगता है कि फेगिन और जो नैन्सी है वो आपस में कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं. मंक से एक नया कैरेक्टर जो है वो इंट्रोड्यूस होता है. इन द मॉर्निंग ओलिवर वॉज स्टिल लाइंग देयर इन द फील्ड एज इफ हाफ डेड, एंड हिज आर्म्स वर कवर्ड विद द blood. He just wanted to stand up. With great difficulty he stood up, and he wanted to be on the road, but he couldn't. लेकिन वो कहाँ, उस घर के पास वापस आ गया. And inside the house there were servants who were describing the night's adventure. Cook and the servant girl was there, and when they saw him they said that he is one and the same fellow who tried to enter into the house, and the fellow says that I shot him last night. Suddenly a young lady appeared and asked what happened, that the boy was badly hurt. Then she asked one of them to go to the town to fetch a policeman and Dr. Losburn. Dr. Losburn एक डॉक्टर हैं, and जो ओलिवर ट्विस्ट को ट्रीटमेंट दे सकते हैं, उसको रिकवर करवा सकते हैं. एंड she wanted to help that very boy. She asked them to bring that boy upstairs, and she asked them to treat the boy properly. तो इस चैप्टर में हमें क्या पता लगा, मंक से एक नया कैरेक्टर इंट्रोड्यूस होता है, ओल्ड सैली के बारे में पता लगता है, और ओलिवर ट्विस्ट की मदर के बारे में पता लगता है, बम्बल और मिसेस कॉर्नी के रिलेशनशिप के बारे में पता लगता है, और साथ में हमें जो है वो पता लगता है कि मंक्स डजंट वांट कि वो लड़का जो है वो गुम हो जाए, उसको कुछ हो जाए. सो दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट वेयर ओलिवर ट्विस्ट इज. दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. लेट अस कंटिन्यू टुमारो. गुड डे.